2, 3.
I just go all the way over. Here I put my level, make sure that it sits level onto this stone here, 100% level. We're gonna measure from the edge of the level. This is where we at, guys. This is where the stone gonna be finished. We finish this section, finish over here. In the middle there we have our weeping hole. We have 2 weeping holes in that floor. Over here is where we're gonna work today. Put up my precast. These are the bad boys that we're gonna work to install today. I already finished over this section as well. So now we only have over here left, and that's it for this job. So we're just gonna work to put up the precast now for this side and for that side. You mean like something soft?
Yeah.
But the box now I'm gonna keep it still.
Yeah.
What, this is broke?
Yeah. Creep me on like chip.
The box now I'm gonna keep it, man. If I stone. The money ready, you know.
You have to put on the side first.
On the side first, and then flip it again.
Yeah.
You like how we are doing?
Only?
Yeah, man.
You back at you
ready to go for this?
Yeah. Oh, you ready to go for it? Hold on,
Yeah.
hold on.
You see how me grippy?
Yeah?
So me I use most of my strength. Tell me when you're ready.
Hold on there. Come on, ready now. I brace it.
I'm going to can't go to move for a while. Carry on.
Come on, make it up there.
Where do you on? Alright. Okay, so what we are going to do, I carry the arm come right up on yourself. Right up yourself. And roll over it. So we are going to go over so.
What's up?
I don't want, no, make it take it this way, that means we're not damage this front. So I'll lift you up and go over this way, over. Yeah. We are going to tilt the top, the place inside, so flip you over this way because I don't want to chip up it.
So we have got up, right? So.
Yes, yes. Yeah, basically lift up here, lift up here, not here.
Yeah, lift it up. My side, lift it up. You don't want to jump. Yeah, I want to get a bit.
Yeah, that's take time good on with him, man. Okay. So I turn you up and it tastes like so now. Understand? Mm-hmm. Come on here. Hold on, let me go on if you put that phone on. I have to put the phone more to the back. I know I'm going to be on it. I will go in. I go kind of difficult to stand up in here, you know. You wait till then I make it. Come on in. I hope you see us, because I have to hold that way. Come on in. So we are going up?
Yeah, I know, so. But you stay in, man.
Yeah, that's good, right. That's what we'll just lift your fan it out. Like you can't go turn it.
Yeah.
So we have to make it turn up first. On the case and then lift it up. You understand? foot I go there and wait till you get on the wall. Understand? If you turn over so, just turn it on yourself, make yourself sit on yourself. Like that, you know. Then you can just grip underneath us and put your hand.
So I could do that. But you have to see your tilt over so there we are. See your tilt so.
Oh.
There we are like you want to lift up go over so. So if you go.
So I never tried it. Why would I do that?
But I saw you get to chop everything like that. You tilt over so.
No, sir. Maybe I wait and go over past so but it can't go be so. Why would I tilt it so? You know the reason to tilt it so. I must wait and go down for you. Come in. You see it, I just wait tight because it's so heavy. Okay, come make a try and flip you over on the face side. Hold on, hold it, you hold it? I want to jam my inside in. Okay, so what? So we just have to just take that rack in here now.
I'm carrying my side and you carrying your side.
Yeah?
I'm carrying my side over.
Okay,
you
yeah.
over your side.
So one. See if need this side.
Ready?
Okay, hold it. Now stay over my side. Okay, well, I'm going down some more.
Okay, I think you want some more.
Okay, them one ready.
Ready?
Okay, not too much.
No.
Okay, them one ready to put you on.
1, 2, 3.
Remember you have to flush it to it in, you know. See that?
You want to come to me a little bit?
What?
Half it.
No.
Little bit. You want to put it? One here. That's it. Good one.
Finger, arch up. Head up. Go. Go, you. Yeah, there you go. Yes. One go here, just a tip. Just a barely. Okay, tabu. Tabela mel, wow. Bottom one going. Well up, you want to keep it to the bottom. Okay. Hold it. Guys, we don't have any studs here, so afterwards we're gonna have to find some studs and drill into our heart.
So you go on. Yeah, we take time to over.
No, that's too big, man.
Ready?
Make it stand up straight first. Stand up back. You know why?
This way after it.
Stop, straight on so.
So you see, I put your water now.
Yeah, just like how you see, so just go over on this plumb. Okay, so now, one flip it. You have to flip it back now on the other side. Let it stand up on the other side. So put it flat down to lay down. Hold on. Put it. Okay. So now we have a flip it over flat way. Just carry on in some more. Carry on over in the middle like that.
What's up?
Look, put this in the middle like plum, just like over.
This up?
Yes.
You don't want too much
Just
like
carry over in the middle like plum, that. Carry them over. Okay, you just hold it like so and just come over like to you. Ready?
Yes.
Just like that. Okay, flip over my brick tire then. Okay, one K over just like before. Alright, now K over my one now. Okay. So when you're ready. Okay guys, my camera battery died. I sent those boys for it. So basically what I did here, as you see, I catch the level of this line from that point that's already built. Go all the way over to the other corner that's already built. And all we have to do now is just working from the precast, go right up to the level. So what I'm gonna do here, being as this is the level from over there, our biggest size stone that we have here, 10.5, so we just gotta measure 10.5 from the top down. 10.5 from right here. We need our joint. Then we just, so right here it's calling for a medium. So if I put a piece of medium here, it will be perfect to go both directions. So I'm gonna start this with a piece of medium. So a little bit of mortar there. Just gonna put it right in the line with this one so that we can break this bond, being as we have the joining right there. I put my finger at the back here as a gauge or as a guide so that I know where, if I need to go in or I need to go out. So right here we're just gonna level our stone. So being I have this one, I just go all the way over. Okay, so this one here, we just, as you see here, I put my level, make sure that it sits level onto this stone here, go in this direction. So we just want to try to get our level 100% level. We're going to measure from the edge of the level, from to right where the stone is, minus our joint. So this is 16 inches. So all I got to do now, I got to go flush right here to this edge. And afterwards we need to take a measurement where the square started. So it's going to be around there. So it's going to be around 1 inch. So we're just going to come down here, 1 inch around here. And now we're going to bring this one straight over like that. And then we're going to cut it off. Now we just got to put some mortar here. We also need to put some mortar right on the face of this one as well. This one gonna sit just like so. Just gonna keep on pushing down. Trying to get it nice and level. You want to go down a little bit down here. Beautiful. So that's where she's level. Now we got to do the same thing over this side. Same procedure over here.
But still mortar.
Oh, still a whole of a mortar. Remember, this is a slope until we come out of it, you know. So, as you see, I measure from here, leave my joint minus my joint, around 16 inches. So, same thing we got to do over here. This is basically right where we need it. So, we're going to go around here with this hand. So, around here. Because that's where the measurement is. Keep on watching, you understand later on more. Little mortar. Until I get it to be level so that I can take some measurement. I need to take this flat part here, so I need to measure from here, 4.5 inches. So at the bottom here, I measure 4.5 inches down here, come all the way to the edge of over here. I'm gonna cut that off right now. Check the level. You want to go down a little bit, going down. Yeah. Just find them but those. You see guys, it's right up to the line. Right up to the top of the line where I want it to be. I'm trying to bring it down to the bottom of this one that's already laid. Then afterwards we're going to try and level it off. As I go, I put my finger at the back here to maintain the space from the wall. That's what we're going to use to have the straightness of the wall as we go.